Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've uploaded a YouTube video here, but I hope to be more consistent, and I wanted to start off by giving you a tour of our homeschooling space. So if you love Montessori and you're a homeschooling parent like myself, then just keep watching. So I want to start off this video by letting you know that this space used to be our living room. We didn't use it for its intended purposes, and we ended up transforming it into our homeschooling space, which just worked best for our family. On this wall, we have our sensorial shelf. Next to our sensorial shelf are our two language shelves. We have our writing on the left and our reading on the right. On this far shelf, this is a combination of my materials up top and our homeschooling materials. This is our art and practical life shelf. Here in this basket, we just store some of our mats, aprons, on this side over here is the beginning of our geography area. So we have our Montessori continent boxes and our geography puzzle maps. On this side over here, we have our math materials. And I actually just recently did a shelf rotation on these three shelves right here. Sensorial, language, and practical life doesn't change, and math doesn't change often, but these over here change a little more frequently. So right here, we are beginning to dive into North America. We have land and water forms at the bottom. On this side, we are diving into biomes. We have already started it, but we're just going a little bit deeper into biomes, and it's going to lead us into the biomes of North America. At the very bottom, we have some zoology puzzles and some task cards to go along with it. Biomes of the world. We also have animals of the world that goes into each biome. And this beautiful picture hanging right here is from Washika Biomes. And this last shelf over here is a combination of botany. And we have some clouds there. We were working on clouds before, and I decided to keep it up because my daughter was still really enjoying it. On our window here, we keep work that she has completed and wants to display, and in front of it, we just have an easel. She's welcome to bring crayons or anything from our art shelf to use it here. She has access to stickers and everything else. This is a work table, a floor work table that she currently has water beads in, but we do typically use it for work. On this corner over here, this was basically dead space, which I was able to find a use for, and I was able to set up our loose parts. Sometimes she uses this just for open-ended play, or she also uses it for math. She'll use it for counting. We have some stamps down there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our homeschooling space. If you would like to see anything in greater detail, any of the shelves, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I'd love to make that video for you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.